Ah, the dreaded bear market. Prices fall, investor sentiment turns negative, and the news is filled with doom and gloom. But what if I told you bear markets aren't something to fear, but rather an opportunity in disguise? Let's dive into why bear markets are actually good for investors and how you can capitalize on them. In traditional markets, a bear market is defined as a 20% plus decline from recent highs, usually accompanied by fear, uncertainty, and prolonged selling. In crypto, bear markets hit harder. Historically, Bitcoin has seen multiple 50 to 80% drawdowns. Yet for long-term investors, bear markets can present rare buying opportunities. As Baron Rothschild famously said, "The time to buy is when there's blood in the streets." Markets tend to overcorrect in bear markets due to collective fear and hopelessness, often pushing asset prices far below their intrinsic value. Take Bitcoin's crash from the peak in late 2017, where it fell 82% to $3,500. In hindsight, this was an incredible buying opportunity. The next time when panic sets in, remember that it could be the best time to buy when others are too afraid to do so. The caveat, of course, is that not all assets are created equal, and careful selection is crucial. As Warren Buffett put it, "You don't find who's been swimming naked until the tide goes out." Bull markets, especially towards the later manic phases of it, often breeds projects that focus on short-term hype and rapid expansion rather than sustainable growth. Many projects are rushed, leading to empty promises and, in the worst cases, fail catastrophically like Terra. But when bear markets hit, the froth and mania gets washed away, along with projects with weak fundamentals. This leaves higher quality projects that build solid products and prioritize long-term growth to thrive and survive when the bull market returns. For example, Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts, was launched in 2015 at the bottom of the bear market and continues to thrive today. DeFi also wouldn't have had the impact it has today if not for projects like Uniswap, Aave, and MakerDAO. Uniswap launched during the 2018 bear market, and while Aave and MakerDAO launched during the ICO boom of 2017 to 2018, they stuck around during the crypto winter that followed and finally took off to lead the DeFi summer of 2020. There are also NFTs, whose adoption picked up after the 2020 pandemic dip and peaked during the NFT craze in 2021. As sentiment turns absolutely garbage in the depths of bear markets, those who remain are the believers and real builders. Time and again, the strongest innovations are born during bear markets. Another benefit of bear markets is that it forces investors to think long-term. During bull runs, hype clouds judgment, and FOMO makes it harder to think clearly. Bear markets force smart investors to slow down, research, and accumulate assets with conviction. With a long-term mindset, these investors would position themselves for the next bull run, amidst the desperation in bear markets. So how can you survive and even thrive during a bear market? First, don't go all in at once. Having ample cash or stablecoin reserves helps you prevent panic selling and capitalize on market downturns. You can also consider using an investing strategy like dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the bottom, simply invest a fixed amount regularly, like every week or month. Focus on fundamentals, as only the strongest projects survive the bear market. You can stick to lower risk assets or do your own research to filter for promising projects with strong development, tokenomics, and growth. Time and time again, we've seen that markets always recover, yet many sell in fear of loss. So unless your portfolio has nothing but microcaps and meme coins, you may want to reconsider panic selling. The key is, if you believe in an asset's long-term value, don't allow fleeting emotions to dictate your investment decisions. While bear markets are associated with fear and financial loss, they also clear out excessive speculation, bring forth innovation, and offer rewarding buying opportunities. So, are you still afraid of bear markets? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious about other investing strategies, like the picks and shovel strategy, check out this video.